Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I used to have a meme empire, and then I lost it. And today, I'm going to regain it. Using Electron, Puppeteer, and TypeScript, I have successfully created a Facebook bot that posts to your meme pages with zero effort. I have changed the game. I have completely changed it. Yeah. I'm God. I'm fucking God. Believe me. So yeah, I used to have a meme empire. It all got zucked. Yeah. I probably had a total combined follow count of 1 million, maybe more. I don't know. So how did I make my meme empire in the first place? Well, good question, Ethan. I made it using Facebook's Graph API. F. And it was going strong, and then it all got zucked. And this was a few years ago, so I want to restart that shit. And I found a way around it that won't get zucked this time. So I used to exploit the fuck out of Facebook's Graph API, and I'll tell you all about it. All the clips in this video were taken from a video I made about my meme empire ages ago. Please don't laugh at the quality of code in this video. It is shit, low tier PHP. It is not even considered code. It's beta BTEC scripting at best. That's a lot of buzz for a day. Shut up. So, my meme empire started off with me manually finding really good memes and posting them. In early summer of 2016, I decided that running these meme pages surely can't be that hard. Why can't I make one myself? So lil inexperienced me went and created a meme page called The Best of Memes. I only uploaded what I considered to be the very best of memes, only the ones that made me laugh out loud. I stole these memes from iFunny and Facebook mostly. Sometimes I even made my own OC videos in iMovie and uploaded them. I tended to upload at least once or twice a day. I was a code monkey for memes. A meme monkey. Ugh. Then I started a community-run page with a bunch of admins who posted. You know, I was just churning out the memes, like so many memes came out. I realized, why am I slaving away all by myself trying to find and post memes? Why can't I get other people to do it for me? So at that moment, Shitpost Community was born. The idea of it initially was to find as many people as possible to become admins of the page and get them to post. But all these admins would post things that were Zuck-worthy. Posts kept getting taken down, blah blah blah, etc. I also made some other manual pages, like, for example, Gordon Ramsay memes, where I actually photoshopped OC. And to this day, it has 20,000 likes. I know. I even created a page called Gordon Ramsay Memes, where I created 100% OC using the content-aware tool in Photoshop, and added a retarded caption, mostly resembling the style of the popular sausage meme trend. I only made a few of these a week, then got bored after a while and kinda stopped, making the occasional one here and there. The original page, which I manually posted on, got about 17k likes, and then it got scammed. Because I'm a retard. I'm a fat fucking retard. As it was at this point that I did the most stupid thing I've ever done in my life. I fell for a scam. It was at the same caliber as one of those Nigerian prince scam emails. God fucking damn it, I was so stupid. Some idiot woman named Justina Clark, probably a fake account, messaged The Best of Memes asking to buy it, and said I should name a price. Now at first, I was like, this has to be a scam, there is no way these things end up well, I've seen it before and I've learned from other people's mistakes. I told Justina to pay me first, then I would give her the page. Then she tells me her boss needs to make sure the people she buys pages from do not scam her, so basically she wanted me to make her admin first. I hesitated, but then I realized that Facebook have a system that prevents new admins added to a page from kicking out any other admin for the first 2 weeks. In my mind, I thought, if she doesn't pay the money as soon as she's admin, then I can just remove her. It's not like she can take over the page as soon as she's admin, right? So I made her admin, waited a few minutes to see what would happen, reloaded the page, and to my horror, I realized I'd been wrong all along. But also thanks to Facebook's shitty and illogical system for dealing with admins. It is so dumb, there are so many loopholes, okay? Just don't trust anything that goes on there. I tried contacting Facebook support, but obviously they don't have humans, they have AI running the support, so you get automated replies saying, go look at the help forums. Fuck off. This stupid fucking cunt, this retard Mark Zuckerberg, doesn't know how to run a normal modern day company in 2019. It's beyond me. I am dumbfounded by his ignorance and lack of understanding. Then one day, I stumbled across this page that posted memes from a bot. And I was like, what? And it changed me as a person. to this day. Then I came across a page by the name shitpostbot5000 and discovered that it was run by a bot that automatically posted memes that were made from their website. I was extremely interested in this because I knew a thing or two about programming. I sent a message to the page and asked them how their bot worked, and they explained to me how they use Facebook's Graph API to post and retrieve data from the Facebook servers. Then it clicked. A whole future for my meme career sparked into mind. I began researching heavily into the Graph API and thinking of possibilities for the page. I realised all these memes I'd been posting manually could be done automatically, just like Facebook's support system. So, me being the genius programmer I am today, decided to learn PHP. Yeah, it's a disgusting language. I fucking hate PHP. So bad. Especially as your first language, like, feels, man, feel for me. And I made a bunch of meme bots using Facebook's Graph API and their SDK for PHP. And yeah, a lot of them just stole memes from other places. As I continued my research, I discovered it was almost as if Facebook made the Graph API specific for the need of stealing and posting memes. I couldn't believe it. How had no one else seen this? It was being handed to me on a silver platter. I could just make a bot that steals and posts memes automatically, right? I made quite a few different styles of bots for these pages. Like, they weren't just normal, like, steal memes and upload them. Like, some of them were, but a lot of them had cool twists to them. They only grew after I made a promotion bot, which kind of auto-commented memes on other posts, and then I would drive attention to the page. And an example of a bot I made is a Vine stealing bot, which would steal videos from Vine and automatically upload them to my Facebook page. We then managed to come up with the idea of scraping Vine videos off of Vine and post them to a page we created called Best Vine. Another one is a scraper that my friend helped me write in Swift, and it basically just scraped my activity log and posted all the things I liked. After that, we made one more addition to Scraper, which would make it scrape all the photos and videos I've liked on Facebook. And then my PHP bot would extract the IDs of those links and post the ones made only by pages, meaning only memes that I've liked would get posted automatically. But it worked like shit. It's nothing like the thing I made today, which I'm going to explain to you in a second. I also made a bunch of pages that posted the same thing every day or every hour. These were: the same quote by Franklin D. Roosevelt accompanied by a photo every day. It is Wednesday, my dudes, every day. The same picture of Harambe every day. The same video of Jim Carrey every day. The same reminder that you are ugly and have no friends every hour. The same photo of Mark Zuckerberg every day. The same photo of Mark Zuckerberg every hour, and even the same photo of Mark Zuckerberg every minute. But this was rate limited because Graph API's terms and conditions. The same photo of Humongous every day. Then there is a page I made called Zucc, which just posted pictures of Zucc and replied to all messages and comments on posts with the same picture of Zucc automatically. The same link to ye old meme game every day. My most unique page by far was called a photo of Donald Trump's wall that gets longer by a pixel every hour. My favorite and most successful page is called the next digit of pi every hour. One of the coolest bots I made was a meme wars bot that allowed people to have meme wars in the comments section of Facebook posts. Meme wars in the comments. Why, you may ask? I made it only accept image and video memes. Also, it was no longer random. It selected the most liked comment to be posted. And on top of that, you had to vote for at least one other meme in the comments by liking it to be eligible. I was going strong, you know, I had many thousands of likes, thousands and thousands of followers. It was the good old days. And then it all came to an end. All the pages got zucked because Facebook changed how their Graph API works, and now you can basically do jack fucking shit with it. Jack all, mate. You can't do anything with it. So the only way around this is by using a web scraper, and that's exactly what I made today. So, you know, a few years passed, and here I am deciding to rebuild my meme empire. I don't know what triggered this idea. Just felt like it. I discovered Puppeteer, which is an excellent web scraping library written for Node.js. I used Electron to build the UI and the app, which means it can be cross-platform. And I used TypeScript because JavaScript is shit. JavaScript is utter wank. And it's a free cross-platform app that you can download and use too. You're welcome. I'm so fucking nice. I am the nicest person on this fucking planet. Do you want to see how nice I am? This nice. Whoa! I'll link it in the description. All you have to do is download it, open the app, keep it running in the background, and like memes on Facebook, and they'll get posted to your Facebook page. It's not a virus. It looks like a virus. It's not a virus. It is 150 megabytes in size because it has two versions of Chromium packed with it, okay? Electron's Chromium and Puppeteer's Chromium. I am not a scammer. Do I look like a scammer? Huh? I hope you enjoyed this short little story about my meme empire. Subscribe. I need more subscribers. I'm filming this video on my Huawei P20 Pro. Hello, Chinese government. Orewa. Ochinchin ga desu nandayo. I'll see you soon. I need subscribers. This is desperately sad at this point. So fucking subscribe. Fucking subscribe.